bad hybrid set, you know, full lash, and then it's just giving like, you know, nothing.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
What's up, it's me Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the FashionCeesta family. Today's video, I'm excited about this, okay? I got in a package from my girl Catherine Bedell here on YouTube. If you guys do not follow Catherine, I will make sure that I put her links down below in the description box. Make sure you guys go subscribe, support, and shop with my girl, okay? Catherine has been talking about launching this lash collection for so long, so to see it finally become a thing, I'm so excited for her. I've been watching her business vlogs and all of that good stuff, and I'm so proud of her. I cannot wait to like get my first impressions because I haven't opened the packaging yet. You know, I've been watching your videos, seeing how you pack your product, you labeling everything when you first got your products. So I'm like super excited to open it and be able to experience it for myself. I'm gonna let you guys know what I ordered and exactly what the total was, everything from the shipping to just the experience, all of that. So I placed my order on Wednesday afternoon, and I got 2 pairs of lashes. The lashes that I chose were Sophia. She had these other lashes that I really wanted to get, but you know, shout out to my girl, they were sold out, so I didn't get the opportunity to get them. But the second that they are back in stock, I'm copping. Y'all know I'm pretty basic. I love a good wispy lash. Every now and again I'll do like a spiky lash. So as far as my particular lash style, the lash that I feel like complemented it the most was the Sophia lash. So I ordered 2 pairs of those lashes, and my total came up to $25.67, and that's with shipping and tax included. None of the lashes on Catherine's website are more than $13, which is a very great price point, especially for mink lashes, because y'all know we ain't gonna name no names, but the girls like to get out here and they be taxing, you know, $50-$60, because you know, I know some people, they really do invest in the quality, but for her to make it affordable for everybody to be able to enjoy it, that's like something that's super important to me when it comes down to products, and obviously the products that I share with my channel, because I always want for you guys to be able to look nice but at an affordable rate. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open my package. I'm gonna see everything that's in there and we will go from there. So when you receive your package, it's gonna come in this pretty pink mailer. I guess also depending on how many items you ordered as well. I only ordered 2, but I've been seeing her ship out pretty much all of her orders in this pretty pink packaging, and she encloses it with a sticker that says pretty things inside, and it says Catherine Collection on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm really trying not to rip the sticker. I'm also trying to make sure I don't show y'all my address too. Okay, first of all, Catherine, I don't know what you sprayed this with, but this smells amazing. Let's just start there. It smells amazing. Oh my God, this smells... Look, I'm gonna have to DM her like, girl, what did you spray this packaging with? Because this packaging is like tea. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull everything out. I'll pull the lashes out last. Ooh, now we got stuff falling out. Okay, hold on. So first things first, I'm gonna show you guys her really cute mailer. By the way, if you guys are starting a business, Catherine actually has a whole series that she started pretty much behind the scenes of the Catherine Collection, showing and telling you guys where she like customized all of her products for like her boxing. Well, not necessarily like where she got the stuff from, because I believe she did mention that she did it through her supplier, but she loves some really great resources that I'm actually going to use for like, you know, my hair company and my boutique to reorder like products that you need like for marketing purposes for her business. So this really cute card, it just says Catherine Collection, and then there's a sweet little message on the back, and it reads, Catherine Collection, thank you so much for supporting my small business. I hope that you are in love with your new products, and I am so excited to see your beautiful face in my collection. Follow at the Catherine Collection on Instagram to keep up with restock dates, product releases, special events, and so much more. Also, be sure to share your photos and videos on social media for a chance to be featured on my brand's feed. With love, Catherine. At the bottom it says, can't get enough, simply open your camera app to scan the QR code or visit www.thecatheryncollection.com to order more. See you there, gorgeous. And she has a QR code, which is like fire. You scan this QR code, it's gonna take you directly to the website. So love this. This was such a great item. And at the bottom, she has a claim for her Lash brand, and it just says, proper care for your lashes ensures that you get the most use out of them, which is 10 to 15 wears at minimum. Catherine girl, you don't know me, I'll get about 45 wears out of a pair of lashes. Call it nasty, call it trifling, call it being cheap. But we take care of lashes over here. Like, girl, this video is all about your stuff, so I don't even want to bring y'all into it. But when I tell y'all, like, here in my beauty room, I got a whole bunch of these just like sitting up under there because I rotate through my lashes. Like, really make sure I look at your tips on the care card just to make sure, you know, if there's any other tips that I can take from you, I definitely would do that. So the last thing that's in here, I believe, is the packaging slip. This paper smells amazing. I'm not gonna show you guys the note because it does have my address on it, and you know, I ain't trying to do that. So it says, hi beautiful, thank you for your support. I gifted you an extra pair, which customer service, let's talk about it. So y'all know what? Just because she gifted me an extra pair, let me make sure it's a pair that I like first. Let's be honest now, I ain't about to be over here acting like I'm Santa Claus, just giving shit away. I need to make sure I'm like, you know, we gonna see. I might get away a pair of Sophia because I'm gonna order me another pair anyways. But because Catherine was so generous to give me an extra pair of lashes, I think that it will only be right if I gift it to one of my subscribers. So this is what we're going to do. If you guys would like to win a pair of the Catherine Collection lashes, these are going to be the rules as follows. 1, you make sure that you're subscribed to me. You make sure that you're subscribed to Catherine. You need to make sure that you're following me on Instagram. You need to make sure that you're following Catherine and Catherine's website, well, Catherine's Lash brand on Instagram as well. And then you need to comment on the video what your favorite pair of lashes is and your favorite lash glue. Once you guys do that, I will shuffle through the comments and I'll take like comments or entries from either like my Instagram as well as YouTube, and whoever, you know, comes up, I'll make sure I do a random drawing and then I will mail those lashes out to you. It is the 25th of July, so I guess I'm going to leave it open until the, well, I gotta think about it. I'm gonna leave it open until August 5th. I feel like that's enough time for people to be able to see the video. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the lashes for the very first time. I'm like, I don't know why I feel like such a kid at Christmas, but I'm like so excited to see the lashes. This is what the Sophia lashes look like, and her box just has Catherine Collection. On the bottom half, you see the name of the lashes, and then on the back, it says, luxurious yet lightweight. Each pair of my lashes was handcrafted to ensure quality, comfort, and longevity. They're usable when handled with love. Again, it has the name of her brand, her social media handles, the website, and then it's distributed by Catherine Bedell LLC. I know that's right, sis. So those were the pair of lashes that I ordered. I'm not sure if she gave me another pair of oh no, girl, she gave me something different. She gave me something different. She gave me something different. So it looks like I'm gonna be giving you guys one of my Sophia pair of lashes. So the other pair of lashes that Catherine gave me as an additional pair is Jacqueline. And this is what those look like. To open this bag, I really like the idea that like she thought about storing the boxes, because a lot of times, you know, you'll get packaging and the boxes be all dented up and they make it look cheap. So when I tell you sis is giving the luxurious experience, she's giving a luxurious experience. So this was such a good idea. Now I'm gonna tell you guys the things that I look for in a lash, because y'all know I really love a nice wispy lash. I like a thin lash band, and I like for it to be comfortable. So I'm going to let you guys see me try the lashes on for the very first time, and then let you guys know my thoughts and opinions once I get the lashes on and how they hold up to the lashes that I absolutely love and adore. Whenever you guys are taking off your lashes, you want to make sure that you pull from the very end. Don't pull at the base of the lash strip, because that is how you stretch them out and mess them up. So I probably should have used my tweezers to do this. So what I'm gonna do is get my small mirror. I'm gonna measure the lash and just see if I need to cut it in order for it to fit. These might be my new favorite lashes, Catherine. I'm not even about to hold you, sis. I done got a preview of what it looked like on my lid. All right, the moment of truth. Catherine, new favorite lash alert. And I purposely did the like maximum minimum, because sometimes a very basic pair of lashes that just don't look good, if you do eye makeup, the eye makeup will be so bomb that it'll make the lashes look good. But y'all, like literally I have on nothing but my base, a lippy, and some blush, and like this lash is just hitting. Not only that, y'all know something that's super important to me when it comes down to lashes is not being able to feel a lash sitting on my eye. Like I think the thinness of a lash band is very important, because if that lash is like super heavy, it can get a little frustrating trying to wear that lash all day. But when I tell y'all I do not feel this lash on my lid, like this lash looks so good. Girl, Catherine, sis, you got a customer for life. Miss Sophia is that girl. Giving bad bitch, hybrid set, you know, full lash, and then it's just giving like, you know, nothing. If y'all don't buy nothing else this week, go buy these Catherine collection lashes, cause y'all see what it's given. Go ahead and put the other lash on, and then I'm going to try on Jacqueline, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts on the Catherine collection. But right now, just with Sophia alone, sis, I'm sold. Sister, these lashes, like, are you dead ass right now? Are you dead ass? Sophia is perfect. Like literally, I got up to film content, not even to like do my makeup for the day, but to be honest, I might not even take off the makeup that I have on, because, and it depends on how Jacqueline hit when I take these off, if I'm gonna go back to Sophia, because y'all, I cannot stress it enough, like the lash band, comfortable. And that's why I can never get into the mink lashes, because the mink lash bands are so heavy to the point where like you be looking like this all day, because it hurts to try to open your eyes. Like it doesn't matter how much mascara you lift under them, like they're just not comfortable. And when I tell y'all, like this Sophia lash feels so good, like dare I say they feel just as light as like my regular thin cheap drugstore band lashes. Because y'all know when it's from the drugstore, is well, not from the drugstore, when it's from the hair store, they not investing that kind of money into no lash band, so it's gonna be thin off rip. That's why I be comfortable, because it's cheap. But y'all, like for this to be like a luxury lash, like it's giving. And it's giving in a way where most luxury lash bands are so uncomfortable. Like, I can't stress that enough. That's like my number one thing. I need the lash to look full. I need it to be fluffy, but I also need the lash man to be like feasible, because if I can't open my eye, then it's like, what's the point of me wearing the lash? Y'all know I'm an eye kiss envy #1, #5 lash, or maybe y'all don't know that yet because my favorite lash video is not out, and I'm glad that I didn't film it because I'm about to throw these lashes in the mix. Like, why? Like, I'm so hyped, girl. Let me just, I need to post this thumbnail real quick so I can try on Jacqueline, and then we can just get back and sing our praises in a second, because I'm like obsessed. This lash. All right, so now that I have obsessed and impressed over the Sophia lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and try on the Jacqueline lash. I'm gonna give you guys a really good look at what the lashes look like again. So Jacqueline is another pair of the faux mink lashes that Catherine carries. She did specify in her video that she does separate the category into faux mink lashes as well as like just regular, just flat out mink lashes. What I will say is this lash style is a little different from what I normally go for. I feel like cat eyes don't always look good on me, but let's see what the Jacqueline lashes are hitting for. You know what? Catherine just... Let me put the other lash on so I can get back to my thoughts before this video time run out, because I just would have never thought that I would like a lash like this. And I'm not even just saying this because like I rock with Catherine. Like, these lashes are beautiful. She did a really good job with picking out these lash styles. Like, this is what the lash looks like. This is what Jacqueline looks like in comparison to Sophia. It's a more full lash, where I feel like Sophia is probably a little more spiky. But for those girls who like that classic lash extension set, like, this is gonna be a lash for you. Like, this is really pretty. Really pretty. Let me go ahead and pop this lash on, and then like I said, I will be back with my final thoughts. So this is what the Jacqueline lash looks like now that I have both of them on. And Catherine, sis, like, I feel like this lash is giving me like boss, you know? It's giving, did you bring my coffee into the office? How many appointments are on my schedule today? That's what this lash gives me. Like, y'all, go shop with my girl. The lashes are affordable, they're comfortable, and like, what, like, I can't stop looking at myself. It's just like, what else is there left to be said? Like, y'all see the material. Make sure you guys go check out Catherine Collection Lashes. I'm gonna leave all links down below in the description box. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. I will be giving away a pair of Sophia lashes. That giveaway will be closing on August the 5th. I believe that's what I said earlier in the video. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow, subscribe, comment down below. If you guys have already tried out the Catherine Collection lashes, let me know which pair are your favorites, so that way I can have an idea of what other styles I want to go for. I really can't wait for her to restock Charlotte. And then there's another one. It starts with a D. Diana. That's what they were. I can't wait for her to restock Diana. And then I also want to try Charlotte as well, just because, like I said, y'all know I love a good wispy lash. But yeah, these are my final thoughts on the Catherine Collection lashes. You need them. They're affordable. They're popping. And to get 15 wears out of a pair of lashes, like... So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of you guys' hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.
That's the way that it, that's the way that it, that's the way that it.